Here's another fantastic Polo from Dorset Motor Company. It's just arrived, it's had a service and an inspection, passed with flying colours, MOT March next year. Being the match, it's got the alloy wheels and the fog lights. We just walk around the car, it's very clean, very glossy. We come round to the driver's door. See, it's done 57,976, so incredibly low mileage. It comes with a little Bluetooth widget, obviously air conditioning, but with a few nice extras as well. So we've got cruise control, but then also the sunroof, which is really rare for a 2013 model. I'll demonstrate that quickly. So I'll just turn the ignition on. I've got this little dial here. And it's also sort of multi-functional, or at least you can have it at different widths. I'll just show you what it looks like from the outside. So yeah, very cool. The car also comes with parking sensors as well, which illuminate via the stereo. Not by the stereo screen, I mean. So here we go. So I'll pop it into reverse, and yeah, it's like a fairly sort of basic but system, but it still works. Oh yeah, I'll quickly show you the engine as well. The engine bay. I think I'm allowed 3 minutes for these videos, so should make it. There we go. As you'd expect, nice clean engine bay for a car of this mileage. This is the chain driven engine, so no rubber belt. Thing with a chain to look out for is cars that haven't had a regular servicing, because that means the chain will wear out super quickly. Really clean interior.